listen. Everyone just has 10 seconds to. Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing the 333 challenge.
So basically, we have taken out 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 bags, and 3 jewelry pieces. So the entire idea of the 333 challenge is that we need to create as many outfits as we can from these pieces, and we will also be keeping a tab on who makes how many outfits.
You get to decide who the winners in the comments. Yeah, so we just want to see how versatile our pieces are, and it'll be like a little outfit relay. So the clock starts now. Chat, you start.
Okay, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing the ebony waistcoat with the icon mini skirt, the glitz bag in gold, and the Sierra scarf. It looks so cute. And I'm also wearing the Kiara cuff. And I think I love my outfit. It's so put together, black and gold, classic. So yeah.
Okay, so for my fit, I am doing these 2 pieces. Okay, this is my office to dinner drinks situation happening. So what I'm wearing right now is the loose shirt with the kiki skirt, jet tube top, and the everything tote bag. And this is a very office appropriate outfit, but it is also a little bit boring for me. And if I'm heading out after office, this is how I would change. And ta-da! This is my after office dinner look. This outfit makes me look really snatched and it hugs me in all the right places.
Okay, so I'm actually going for something safe because I have worn this outfit before. So we have the Sol skirt, my ultimate favorite piece, and then I'm gonna pair it with the ebony waistcoat. Since no one's picked this, I'm going for the Kate bag in ivory. I'm gonna pick some fun jewelry and I'll be back. Okay, so this is my fit. I feel like this is very, very Euro summer. What I've done is I've tucked the waistcoat in so I could show the belt off a little bit more. I've done some gold jewelry, and to just tie the look together, I've also sort of tied the scarf as a hair tie, and I think it's super cute, and I love how the gold just ties the outfit together.
Okay, so the outfit that I've put together now, I think it's so cute. I didn't expect it to turn out this good. But I've paired the loose shirt with a jet tube top, which I worn over it, as you can see. And I'm also wearing the icon mini skirt and the Kate bag in ivory and the Nova earrings. I think this is such a cute outfit which you can wear to either a dinner date or a brunch. You can literally wear it anywhere. Tell me how you like it.
Okay, so for this outfit, I've done the Sierra scarf as a top with the Kiki skirt and the glitz bag in light gold. And I feel like this is such a great like dinner outfit because I feel like it's super flattering, and genuinely after this video, I feel like I'm going to reach out to the Kiki skirt a lot more. Yeah, that's my fit.
Okay, so this is the next outfit that I could come up with. So I have paired the loose shirt. So I've tied it around. I've not actually buttoned my buttons. It's a nice, like, cool, easy breezy way to tie this shirt. I've paired it with the Sol skirt, the Kate bag in ivory, and yeah, I think this look looks really effortless. It actually did not take any effort to put together this look, so I think it conveys just that, but at least I look good.
Okay, and with that, we are done
Yeah.
with our 333 video. How do you think we did?
I think we did pretty well. We run out of all the clothes. We've made every possible combination out of the pieces
We've
that we
covered
had.
so many occasions, from like workwear fits to dinner fits. We've done it all.
I mean, it's very evident the different
Yeah.
aesthetics that we styled the pieces in. So yeah, I think we did pretty well.
Why don't you guys
Yes.
let us know in the comments whose outfits you like the best? Yeah, and we'll pick someone from the comments and give them a piece of their choice from the 333
Yes.
selection because we want to see how you would style the pieces. Bye.